Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shaista S. So friends, today we are going to make something small but so unique in Scratch. So today we are going to learn how to make a star or how to draw a star in Scratch. So first, let's see the demo of this animation. One time the color is blue and with the using of pencil it's made a star. So let's see again in next time what the color will be of star. So in second time it's pink and the third time it's orange. So whenever how many times you will just click on green flag, you will click it, so you will get a different color of stars. So as you have seen, the star is making in the middle of the center and the middle of the project. So let's first see the coding of this backdrop. So this is the coding of the backdrop and this is the coding of the pencil. So let's create a new one. So I will click on here and I will take it this new and then we will put the coding on it. So friends, before that I would like to tell you that if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, so please subscribe it, and if you like this video, so please like it. So let's take a backdrop first. So I will just cut this regular cat and I will take a backdrop, and in backdrop you can take anyone. I am taking this blue sky too, and then I will put the coding on it. So when the green flag click, now I would like to go in this sound. I will delete this pop sound. I will go in this sound library, and from the loops I will take a different sound as I want. You can take any as you want. So let's see which one is better. So let's listen this one. We will listen this. Yeah, so this one I think it's much better. So let's put the coding now. I will go in the sound block. Now what I will do, I will just big it. Yeah, and now I will go in the sound. I will take it play sound. So I will just minimize it like that and I will click on here. You can see the full. So we will listen it first. Yeah, so as you have seen, only one time it's showing, but I want that till one star complete after making it have to be stopped. So what I will do, I will not put the forever block from the control, because otherwise the sound will be forever, but I don't want like that. I want that when the green flag will click, so the sound will be there, and when the red button will click, so sound will be off. So for that I will go in the sound, and what I will do, I will just copy it here and I will paste it here. So now let's listen. So as you have seen, at once it seemed two times. So let's remove this and again with a new we will do it. Let's listen now after just putting this. As you listen, now let's go in the sprite library. I will go in the sprite library and I will choose a pencil. You can choose any sprite as you want. I am choosing pencil. So yeah, this one pencil is good. Now let's put the coding on the pencil. So I will just put this and now I will just maximize it. Okay, and now I will go in the event block. I will take it when the green flag will click, and then we want everything in middle. So what I will do, I will go in the motion block and I will take it set Y. So we will put it as a middle. So we want a 0. So I will just drag it. Yeah, set Y to 0. So instead of -11 I will do it 0. And then I would like to go in the pen block. If you didn't get this pen block, so you have to go in this extension block and then you have to choose this pen, and then you will get this all blocks. So now from that, first we want erase all blocks. So let's take this, then pen down and then change color. So I will go here and I will do it change color, change pen color, So we will do it instead of 10 we will do it 20. It will be much better. So you will choose if 50, so you will get 50 colors as you will click on green flag 50 times. So in each time you will get different kind of colors. Now let's go in the control block and I will take it this repeat 10 times. So instead of 10 times we will do it 5 times, and then in that I will go in the motion block. I will take it move 10 steps. So instead of 10 steps I will take it to 100 steps will be much better for making a proper star. And then I want to turn it right side to be 144 degree. So as we know star have a different size as a triangle side and all, so that's why we want turn right degree 144 degree. And then I will go in the control block and I will wait it as 1 second. So let's see first is it working. Yeah, so as you have seen it's really working. If you want to make it size, so even you can make it. So let's do first its middle point what will be. So first let's see, I will go here and I will put it here. So I will just stop it and then I will take this. Before that I will just remove this because it's not moving. Yeah, so now I will see the size. You can see this will be okay. So this is 141 and all. So you will get this kind of position. But if you want in middle, so you have to choose set y to 0. So I will just take it as a set y to 0. Yeah, I have taken it. I will do it as you can take 0. So let's take a 0. So I will just back it and I will again write it and then I will save it. So I have saved it. Now let's go in the full screen guys, and now let's draw it. Now this time the sound is also there. Even when the star has been complete to make, so sound is also completed and finished, and even the color is green this time. Let's see again. So now the color is blue. Let's see again. So the color is pink. So you will get 20 colors. Now it's orange. So this is green. So this is also a turquoise. So you can also comment me that which color you like and by which color you get star very beautifully. So I think pink also is great. So yeah friends, that's all about today. If you like this video, so please like it and please share this video with everyone and comment me in comment section that how was this video. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, so please subscribe it, ring the bell icon and turn it on the all mode. Bye bye.